Hi, it's Sunday today. Storm Dennis has been on today. It's been horrific rain, hailstones, just been horrible, really strong winds. There's floods everywhere. I've been out and about today, but I'm back at Beamish. We're working in Beamish Hall today in the nursery side, the garden centre side, and we're on. Last weekend we did all the perennials. There's quite a few perennials which I'll show you what we've done. Today we're on with some shrubs, and I'll show you some of the shrubs and what to look for when potting shrubs on. If we just move down the benches, we can see quite a few. On the front bench here we've got quite a few campanulas, different varieties of lupins. As we go down, I'll show you what's behind later on. On here we've got mainly alpines, arenaria, campanulas, arabis. As we move down, the deep rose arabis, moving into ajugas. These are all growing away nicely. They've only been potted up a week. Slow release fertiliser added to the pots. They're looking very good. They'll come away very nicely. As we can see, these have just been done. These are all delphiniums. Moving further down, we've got different types of ajuga. Lewisia. Lewisia is one of the slower ones. If you look at the back, you will see that we've got no heating in this polytunnel, but we're in an open polytunnel, so obviously we're getting cold nights. These are all hardy, so there's no issues. They would be okay, but we just fleece up extra. This is heavy grade fleecing, commercial fleecing, that we do fleece over on an evening just to keep any real harsh weather and make sure the plants are growing well. Moving further down, we're into the Lithidora, an excellent alpine plant. There's 3 varieties on the benches there, looking nice. We're now moving into shrubs, which we're on potting at the moment. I've just started doing some viburnum tinus, and just a couple of to show you. Beautiful little plug plants with good roots on. These are in Jiffy 7s. These have been stopped and they look very good. We'll need a couple more. Nice and bushy plants. These ones have missed being stopped, so I am going to pinch out the growing tip just to enhance bushy growth. We'll pinch out the growing tip in that one, and they will bush out and make super plants for 6 weeks, 7 weeks time. We'll take those through the summer. We're putting these into 1 litre pots in clover compost with the slow release fertiliser added. At the moment we're using the 4-month slow release fertiliser. Once we start moving into larger pots, we'll switch to the 9 to 12 month. So there's a good range. Viburnum tinus, Choiceas, Sundance, looking good. A few different varieties of Buddleia, looking good. Some nice euonymus there. They're a slightly larger pot, but beautiful roots on them, as you can see. These will grow away really well when we get them up in the bigger pots. Heucheras in here, again, a larger pot again. They'll go into a slightly larger pot and they'll make superb plants for later in the season. Nice labels for everything, so quite happy with all of these. All growing nicely, as you see. We've been busy on the benches. If we go along the back bench, there's a selection of Rebecca's, Verbenas, Achilleas. What else have we got on there? Euphorbias, Gara, Leucanthemum. Moving back up, there's more Digitalis, more Achilleas near the top, all the way up. And these will be out in the garden centre, opening on the 10th of April. That's great. Thank you very much, ladies and gents. Bye.